Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 73. If we start with this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 4. 7 here, so 2, 4. So that means the only place our 7 can be is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 5. 5 here, so 2, 7. 5 and 7 here. So this is our 2, 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6. 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 4 here makes this our 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 9. 7 here, so 6, 9, 6, 9, and that means our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 6, 9, 6, 2. For this top row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're only missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. And for this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9 and 8. There we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.